Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to this week's science lesson. I have your science journal posted behind me. What you'll need for this lesson for this week is your science notebook, and you need to open up to the page that's titled Lesson 3, has a picture of a giraffe eating from a tree, and it's called How Do Animals Get Food and Water? So far, let's just kind of go backwards. We've talked about how we've talked a little bit about plants and a little bit about animals and what both need in order to live, grow, and survive. Now, the question that we're going to be answering is, how do animals get food and water? Go ahead and think for a moment. How do you think animals in the wild get their food and water? Do they have someone that brings them food every day? Do they go to the grocery store? No, they don't do that. How do they get their food and water? Well, they are pretty independent. And some animals are, when they're born, just instinctively know how to get what they need in order to survive. Some animals are better at this than others. Some of them need the care of their mother in order to learn how to do these things. Let's take a look into our lesson for today. Lesson 3. What kind of an animal is that? It's not really an animal. You're right, it's a ladybug. I can tell it's a ladybug because it's red with black spots. What do you think it's resting on? Hmm. Oh, maybe a leaf. You're right. And what do you think these shiny, clear blobs are? Oh, maybe it's water droplets on a leaf. That makes sense. Okay, let's read. Water. Dogs need water to drink. Birds and beetles need water. All animals need water. Can you think of other animals that might need water? Go ahead, put me on pause, then come back when you're ready. But think of 2 more animals that need water. Okay. Animals need water to drink. Which animal is not drinking water? Mark it with an X. Which of these animals is not drinking water? The ladybug, the elephant, with the bird, the zebras, the cat, and the dog. Which one is not drinking water? Food. Plants do not eat their food. Animals need to eat their food. Some animals get their food from plants. Let's take a look and see which of these animals is eating plants. Oh, that's interesting. Look at the caterpillar. The caterpillar is eating what? The leaf. And the giraffe, they're eating the leaves from the tree. And look at this monkey. The monkey looks like it's eating a fruit from a tree. So all of these are getting their food from plants. Wouldn't you agree? Can you think of any other animal that might get their food from plants? Think of one and then move on. Some animals get their food from other animals. Some animals eat both plants and animals. So they have here two animals that are eating other animals. Do you know what it's called when you eat meat? You're a carnivore. So you eat other things that are made up of meat. What is it called when you eat only plants? So only things that are grown in nature, like leaves, fruits, vegetables. A vegetarian. Do you know what it's called if you are both? So you eat meat and you eat plants like fruits and vegetables? An omnivore. This is going to be pretty important. Is the animal eating a plant or an animal? Write P for plant and A for animal. They've done the first two for you. So the giraffe is eating a plant, and would you say this is a chameleon? I think so. Is eating another animal. How about this big bird? What do we think? How about the monkey? How about these two creatures down here? Go ahead and write either P for plant or A for animal. And that's all we have to do for this week. Off you go, scientists. I can't wait to see your wonderful science journal work this week. Don't forget, post a picture when you're done in the finished work bin.